Hi, and welcome to an electronic white paper, the Smart Inspection. I'm Michael Underwood, the Chief Information Officer at SiteCheck Solutions, and I'll be your host for the next few minutes. What is a Smart Inspection, and how can it help write a profitable book of business? Smart Inspections create competitive advantages throughout the organization, including claims, operations, underwriting, and product development. In this electronic white paper, you'll learn how the latest technologies are helping insurance carriers to reduce staff costs, respond quicker to adverse situations, identify special audit needs, cut underwriting time devoted to audits, increase producer contact time, develop profitable products, minimize errors and omissions exposure, reduce claims, lower claim costs, and minimize reinsurance issues. Let's take a closer look at what Smart Inspections can do. First, let's look at web services and automating the inspection request process. Some companies order inspections manually by going to the vendor's website and typing in each individual inspection request. Another method is batch upload, which can be created in a spreadsheet or standard CSV format and then uploaded in a few easy steps. This saves time and money by not having to enter the orders online. A third option is web services. Your system can talk to the vendor's system and automate the ordering of inspections. This fully automated business-to-business interface allows your system to send inspection requests and receive the completed reports without manual involvement. This process eliminates all labor-intensive procedures between the inspection vendor and customer for ordering, tracking, and receiving inspections. It also improves quality by eliminating human error. Imagine saving thousands of dollars per month by automating the ordering process. We'll move now to the interactive inspections. With a proprietary mobile app, the inspection report and photos can be uploaded to the client in real time, with the inspector still on site. This improves underwriting quality and eliminates the need to go back to the inspection site weeks later. Mobile applications provide other opportunities for geocoding, geotagging, and telematics. The third aspect of a smart inspection is a product called AppSure, which is an underwriting control feature. AppSure compares the inspector results with the retail application. Frequently, the applications include little information and often only tell part of the story. Here's how AppSure works. The SiteCheck system looks for discrepancies between the retail application and the inspection report. The differences are highlighted on the report, which is sent to the client. This helps you identify misclassified and/or mischaracterized risks. Keyword search is a feature specifically designed to help you identify risks with special needs. It's as easy as selecting keywords, which are then loaded into your company's profile. Thereafter, the SiteCheck system will automatically search for those keywords on every inspection report. When found, they're highlighted on the report, giving you the opportunity to take actionable steps. Consider the challenge of validating the information provided on the retail application. With the help of the internet and the use of data calls, we can target areas of concern based upon the risk. Some of the information we need to know may include: what does the insured do? How long have they been doing it? Who are their customers and suppliers? What is the size of the business? What kind of experience does management have? Where they are located? Where do they perform their work? And what are their facilities like? With the right tools and knowing where to look, you can find much of the information on the web. As well as search engines, mapping sites like Google Earth, Google Maps, and MapQuest are becoming more valuable. Industry-specific websites have proliferated and are available online. Let's see how we might use data calls to the internet to find out more information about a contractor risk. The application from the insured is our first source of information. A search engine query reveals that they're just celebrating 16 years in business. Remember, the application said they had been in business for 40 years. Looking at the company website shows us They also do commercial roofing, which was not stated in the application, as well as a number of other construction-related services. Once again, the application is inconsistent with the services advertised online. A business entity search in the state of Texas gives information about the business. In this case, you can see that the company is not in good standing. With the help of the internet, we've identified a couple of areas of concern. The business is only 16 years old, not 40. They also do commercial roofing, which was not stated in the application. And the tax status search shows that they are not in good standing. Now let's turn to an example of an apartment building risk. Industry-specific sites offer detailed information about apartment buildings. Here's an ad which poses a potential negligent security liability risk. The advertisement says the complex is kept safe with on-site security and surveillance cameras. What happens when the complex isn't kept safe and someone is hurt? In another example, the application for this apartment complex says there is a dam on the property. Searching a mapping site, we can see that it isn't the massive dam structure that might come to mind. Thus, it may be a very insurable risk. Turning to a policy on vacant land, we can see another example of a mapping search. In this case, we can see that there is a home on the property. Restaurants and liquor liability present unique risks. So let's see what kind of information we can discover from the internet. The application includes the following information: no delivery, open 6 days a week, current all liquor license, no live entertainment. From an industry-specific database, we learn that they do deliver. We also see the hours and days of operation, which include Sunday. So the next question we might ask is, are they required by state law to have a Sunday permit? Online information can determine if the restaurant does indeed have a Sunday permit. Alcohol laws in the U.S. vary by state and can be found on individual state websites as well as other industry-specific sites. Many states publish a list of revoked liquor licenses. A Minnesota state search shows a 2 a.m. license for a restaurant in Minneapolis. A strategic element of the SMART inspection is electronic data. A 2012 article from Insurance and Technology is entitled, "Data is Gold." Among other things, it states, if 2011 was the year that companies discovered gold in the data stores they had developed over the years, then 2012 will be the year they begin to mine those buried riches. Advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and precision data mining will be the focus of most companies as they strive to leverage the investments they have already made. To accomplish this, insurers will have to have their data houses in good order and have their information management act together. The key is to unlock the data from each physical inspection and deliver it in electronic format. Electronic information fuels decision-making activities like trending, profiling, and product development. Another opportunity for capturing electronic data is parked in your filing cabinets. The information from these inspection reports is retained, yet unavailable for analytical objectives. SiteCheck Solutions can help you convert these archive reports into a usable electronic format. Shifting from electronic data, we come to aging reports. Inspection aging reports can be a useful tool to help you identify difficult risks, giving you an opportunity to respond to them in a timely manner. These reports can be delivered to you daily, weekly, or monthly as part of your executive dashboard. A SMART form gives you greater flexibility managing the forms of different risks. Imagine a user interface which allows you to create or modify forms in real time, adding, deleting, or changing questions to build custom reports for your specific risks. Most inspection companies base pricing on the number of questions on a form. You can control the cost of each report by creating the exact form you want for each risk. Another way to cut costs is through the placement of an on-site employee. SiteCheck Solutions can assign an employee to your location who works for you but is paid by SiteCheck. We will now move on to the topic of integration, which can add value to your enterprise. Consuming web services allows you to integrate with products like ImageWrite to automate previously manual processes such as placing inspection reports and photos into your workflow management system. SiteCheck Solutions has developed platform-independent web services. This interoperability produces a longer system lifespan, delivering a greater return on your investment. One of the characteristics of smart inspections deals with the need for data security and consumer privacy. The Financial Services Modernization Act of 1999, or Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, has 3 sections. 1. The Financial Privacy Rule, 2. The Safeguards Rule, and 3. The Pretexting Provision. Is your inspection provider putting you at risk? Some areas of security compliance include physical security, data handling, logical security, and network security. There is a commitment and cost associated with the benefits described in this electronic white paper. IT departments often have a project backlog and may require reprioritization of valuable IT resources. Implementation of various features could necessitate underwriters' time and operational process modification. As we wrap up this introduction to smart inspections, consider a 2011 publication from the management consultant A.T. Kearney entitled Technology, the Insurance Industry's Pivot Point, which says in part, technology innovations will play a major role in determining success or failure in the insurance industry. Firms that effectively harness technologies and the opportunities they offer are destined to be among the industry winners, leading the way toward growth and prosperity. Companies that fail to keep up with the latest technologies risk falling further behind and relinquishing their leadership positions. Make no mistake, the insurance industry is at a pivot point as future success is likely to rest on today's technology decisions and strategies. In summary, a forward-thinking inspection vendor can have a significant impact on several areas of business. Smart inspections help boost productivity, accelerate decision-making, improve quality, and reduce costs throughout the organization. If your organization is exploring strategic initiatives which include automation, quality, privacy compliance, or data analytics, we would like to speak with you. For more information about smart inspections, please fill out a short survey and tell us where your interests lie, or you can contact us via telephone or email. Thank you for taking the time to view this electronic white paper on the benefits of smart inspections.
The Smart Inspection from SiteCheck Solutions.